I don't think it's gonna be spicy, but yeah,
let's see.
We'll see.
Few moments later.
Okay. Do not try this at home. Don't try this one at home.
Your makeup is coming off.
Is it? Oh God. Is it actually?
The heat has landed.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So as you guys can see in the title down below, today we're going to be doing the spicy ramen noodles challenge. So guys, we decided to do this because we reacted on a video. That's right. Tribal people trying it. So when we saw that, we're like, yo, okay, we need to try it to see what's up, to see if this is actually spicy. Okay, so a little thing though, I actually have the original ramen noodles, but this one, he's too picky. He doesn't like the spices.
You gotta know what you're eating, guys. I don't like some sauces and spices.
He doesn't like all that little extra stuff in the noodles. So he decided to make his own spicy ramen noodles. So we're gonna show you guys how he made it. So guys, we're in the kitchen right now. That's and right. As you guys can see, the noodles are there and we are gonna make it, okay? But yo, as we told you guys, this one is picky, y'all. This one is picky. Right. He doesn't like all the sauces and spices in the noodles. So he wants to make his own ramen noodle. His own spicy.
My own spicy
ramen noodle, y'all. Right. So we're just gonna show you guys how we make it real quick. And yeah, so let's get it.
So guys, this is what's gonna go on here. We don't wanna give you too much long video to sit there watching, thinking about what the heck is going on here. So guys, this is the usual noodles that you
noodle spicy one. This is the ×2, by the way. That's what I'm gonna be having.
That's right. But because I'm very picky with my food, I don't like some sauces, whatever spices people are putting in their food. I make mine, guys, and I'm gonna put 7 Scotch bonnet in mine. 7. I'm creating mine today, okay? So if anyone is able to challenge this, I'm gonna increase it again.
Yo, by the way, this is 7.
That's 7 Scotch bonnet.
One of these is super spicy, so good luck.
So today we're going to be using a very special pot, okay? And this pot, I'm going to leave Marie to give you more presentation on this. She's going to do a whole new video on this pot, okay? This is Salad Master. It's just unbelievable. This is magic, okay? So we're going to cook in this pot because what this pot does is it preserves all the nutrients and the minerals that you need in your food. Again, the video will come on. We're not going to take too much of your time. This is the motherland. Okay, I would like to add a bit of Maggi cube to my noodles, and that's just half. Okay, it's just a pot of noodles, guys. So guys, if you can see the click from that little valve, that's telling you that you're killing the ingredients in your food, or the minerals, the nutrients, all that you need to grow healthy. You're killing it, so this is the time for you to turn it low. Okay, so this is one special thing about the pot as well.
Yeah, there you go.
That face gets to me. Jeez, I'm even scared.
Okay.
There we go. My noodles is ready. And there's one thing I didn't say about this pot, guys. When you pour in, it doesn't make a mess. See that?
Oh yeah. Okay,
that's
awesome.
That's just built not to make a mess.
Yo, look at all of these spices. So guys, now it's my turn to make my noodles, okay? So I'm gonna be making the ramen noodles, as you guys already know. Okay, so woo! Yo, these are big. I didn't know they were gonna be this big. What? They're quite big, isn't it? Compared to yours.
That's so big.
Yeah, okay. I think I'm just gonna make one because I don't know what to expect, y'all. Okay, so, okay.
That size is sitting too big for me, you know what I mean?
It's quite thick.
It's too thick. I like the thin ones.
Okay, it's got a couple of things in here, so I can see some.
Show in the camera, let's see. Okay.
I think that's like pepper. It looks dry, but anyway, let's try that.
All right, let's see that pepper.
Oh, okay. What
That
is this?
looks like some dry seeds.
Yeah, like seasoning seeds. Okay, I didn't expect that. I'm guessing this is the pepper because you can clearly see. Okay guys, I think my food is ready. Okay, it's looking nice. So let's pour that. I hope my pot is big enough.
You can save some. Well, that pot is actually big enough.
Awesome. So guys, now I've got my noodles right here.
Wow.
Woo! Almost spilled it, you guys.
That looks so thick. I don't even like it.
Yeah, the noodles are really thick.
That looks like some worm. Jesus Christ, man. Look at this one. Look at the size.
I know.
So that's mine, guys. That's my Scotch bonnet.
By the way, mine is looking red because of all the spices in the ramen noodles, but his is white because he used the Scotch bonnet pepper. If you guys know, you know. If you know, you know how spicy that is.
Let's go for this.
So y'all, are you ready? Scared me like. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I don't think it's gonna be spicy, but yeah,
Let's see.
We'll see.
Are you not done twisting? Are you not done twisting?
It's too long. Okay.
Okay, you
See
ready?
it hot? Can you see the vapor?
You ready?
Okay.
Okay.
It's nice.
This is nice as well.
It's spicy,
It's spicy.
but I can handle it. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. How's that?
I think it's alright.
Is it spicy?
It's spicy, but I can't. I don't know if you guys can see. My nose is sweating already. Seriously.
Oh god. Okay. This is not bad at all.
How is that one? Is it
It's
very,
nice.
very spicy?
I can taste the cake, but
You can.
let me keep eating.
Okay. Maybe with this one too. Let's see. I actually like this. I'm gonna use all of it.
Is it spicy? It is? It's spicy. I know. Yo, we put like 7 Scotch bonnets in there, so you guys saw how you made it.
This.
This is nice. It's too warm. Are you okay? Wait, are you okay? Are you crying? It's not that bad. Can I try yours? Because the way you're sweating like let me try it.
Really don't.
Look at the pepper I just picked up. Cause when I'm eating this, it's spicy. Woo!
It is hot.
Wait, hold up. Okay. I think yours is worse.
I bet you if anyone try this, if anyone pass this, I'm increasing it.
Oh yeah, by the way guys, if you guys try this challenge, try this one. Forget this one. Try that. No, this is crazy.
And you know what? You know what? One thing we didn't say from the beginning: this challenge, you don't drink nothing.
We're not drinking anything.
Dry.
Can do this. This is. I love the noodles. They're actually really nice.
Actually, this one is so nice, you know. Did you not try them?
Yeah, right.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
nice, but like, come on.
Trust me, yeah.
True. This is nice, but it's spicy or spicy. I think when some people make it, they don't add water in it, but I left some water in mine. This is so spicy. Oh. Okay.
It's so hot. The makeup is coming off.
Is it? Oh God. Is it actually?
The heat has landed. It has arrived.
That's how she's crying.
Oh no.
Woo!
Let me go and fix that up.
You wanna try? Domia. Guys, trust me. Try this one. If you want a challenge, try this one. And let's keep going. Last man standing. Last woman standing. Jeez, man. I love it.
You love it. Are you serious? Are you actually like
It's
that?
spicy, but it's...
I'm scared to finish
You know,
this.
I'm actually gonna chew the pepper.
Don't do that, please. Don't do that. It's okay.
You don't understand.
You're a soldier. It's okay.
I'm gonna
We
chew.
know.
I'm gonna chew the pepper. Let's go for the knockout stage.
Huh.
Yeah.
That's on you.
You hear that? That's on me. So if you do this challenge, that's on you. Jesus, I'm even scared to put this in my mouth now.
You can do it. Come on. No. Eee! You're actually chewing it. Oh no. Oh no. Are you okay? Ah, you guys. He's not okay. He needs some milk. He does, don't you? You need milk.
Can I drink some milk, please?
That's
Oh God. Let's go for another round.
You said let's go for another round.
Another round. I mean, I'm trying to get a pepper. I'm chewing the
He
pepper.
really did. He's chewing the pepper. Do not try this at home. Don't try this one at home. You're actually finishing it.
That's a challenge.
Wow, I didn't think he was gonna finish it. Whew, are you done? Let me see. You did well, you know. That's good. Well done. Well done.
My nose is even running.
Whew.
I need help. Let me be very, very, very specific. Do not try this at home, okay?
Not seven at least.
Do not, okay? This is red. This is danger zone, okay? So if you want to try this, it's on you, all right? Jeez.
I'm done.
You know what?
Well,
If you eat this every day, there's no room for corona.
that's true, you know.
You know how I feel? I feel like cutting my tongue. I feel like going deep and
is it
cutting
really
that
that
part
bad?
away. It's only that part. Just cut it and then I'll feel free. You can try it.
Hell no.
Try one. Let's try one.
Okay.
Try and chill somebody.
Nah. Okay, wait.
I
No,
feel-
you
I
take it
feel-
and give it to me.
I feel so dizzy.
That's not good enough.
That's so spicy.
It's okay.
At least chew it first.
Is there noodles on my face?
Look at that one. It's
What?
the noodles.
What the heck are you talking about?
I need tissue. Man.
Nah.
This is so spicy.
Hey, you look natural.
I'm trying to.
So which one do you think is spicier?
That one.
This one, the famous, what you call it, or this one?
You
Okay.
guys, the ramen noodles are really nice, but it is spicy. But
It's
I
bearable,
can manage it. I can manage the spice.
Do you think it's something that will be spicy for me?
No, definitely not. It's spicy, okay? If you're not someone who likes spicy food or you're not used to spicy food, it's definitely gonna hit you. But the one he made, yo. Anyway, guys, we did it, okay? The spice in the ramen noodles, I'm gonna rate it. I think I'm gonna give it like, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because
You mean
it's
the flavor
spicy.
is nice?
Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice, but the spice is like, whew.
Okay.
But that one, it's like I can't even.
You can taste.
I can't talk properly because it's burning. I'm gonna rate this one like 20 out of 10. It's too much. I can't. I wouldn't eat that.
Yeah.
Yo.
But still, I feel like this one is still bearable for me.
My makeup is
Like,
melting and everything.
It's very, very spicy, but it's bearable. I don't think I've got to the point where I feel like, yeah, this is spicy, like how people react to.
Yeah,
Ramen
yo.
spicy food,
Yeah.
no.
I confirmed it, and this is not as spicy as you guys make it seem.
No.
Like it's not. You're like exaggerating.
Yeah.
It's not that spicy. But again, that's my opinion. That's my opinion, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you're new to this channel. And guys, leave a comment down below. Tell us what you think. And guys, we'll see y'all in the next video.
Next video.
Later.
Ciao.
Bye.
Ciao.